How to change name in Grand War 4 game. Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech for Gamers. Today in this episode, we will be learning how you can easily change your in-game name in Grand War 4. So the first thing to do is to open the Grand War 4 game on a device and make sure you are inside the main lobby screen. Once you're in, go ahead and click on your avatar at the top left corner and then you'll see your name appearing in the pop-up. Click the pencil button right next to name and enter a new name in the text box. You can also pick random names by clicking on this loop icon, and once you find the name you'd like to use, click on the confirm button. You'll need a rename card to change your name. If you've got it, you can use it right now by clicking confirm. So now you have successfully changed your name in the Grand War 4 game. If you ever want to change it again, you'll need a rename card. So that's it. You have successfully learned how to change your in-game name in Grand War 4 game. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.